Now we are going to continue. We are going to draw the window. So go to the window layer, take one line, specify the window size, that is 3 feet. Click on this, offset this side, click on this, offset this side, erase this line. Okay, click one more line at the center, click here, specify the thickness, one inch. Okay, this side and one of this side, erase this. Okay, so this is your window. Copy this, or draw a line here, copy this, copy from this center up to the center, again down. Here in the dining hall, one in the kitchen. So put one here, one in the kitchen. Okay, again copy this, move outside and rotate. Take this, move, put it here. Okay, you want to put exactly at the center, just drag the center point. This is the center point. Move this, drag this, put it here. Okay, again copy, put this in the bedroom, one in the bedroom. Copy this, click on the center, put it here. Okay, now start the grid line. Change the line type first. Go to the layer. The grid line type is load another line. Center. Click OK. Select this. Click OK. Go to the grid layer. In the property panel, this by layer. Click one line. Draw one line. Move this near the center of the wall. Okay. If you want to change line type, you can also change. Type C. Draw one circle. Dia is 6 inch. This is too small. Erase this. 12 inch. Okay. Make it more bigger. C enter. text. Now edit this, double click, type A. Now and adjust this as per the text. Okay, I'm going to put it here. Just copy this, this side. Okay, copy this complete grid. And we have put it center of this wall. Okay, again copy. CO, P means previous. Rotate this. Now put it here. Okay, this is too big. Just move this closer and take extra line. Okay, you can copy CP. One here, one here. Okay, we just edit the text. Make it B. Make this one also B. Take this. No. Erase. Okay, erase this, copy, edit this, put 1, 2, 3. Just copy these 3 text. Click from here, put it here. Okay, save this. Now grid is ready. Okay, we have to put dimension, or we have to put the furniture. So guys, in the next video we have to place the furniture, and we have to specify the dimension. So thank you for watching this video. For furniture layouts and dimension, you must watch my next tutorials. Okay, thank you very much.